mind.
Upon the cross against the hills of the night, they nailed the man when they speared the breast and made them drink the wine. He bore the pain alone, but in the hollow darkness saw the sweet Mary's face, upturned in grief below. Tears filled her eyes, but love chastened the tragic beauty of her face, which neither death nor sorrow